Now, the main cause for stress and anxiety is the speed of our lives and the speed of our thoughts. The more things we have going on in life, the more thoughts we have about those things. Some yogic techniques can help us slow down our thoughts, be in the present moment, and calm down our mind and bodies. Today I'm going to show you two techniques. One is an asana and one is a deep breathing technique that can help you in relaxing your mind. So for the first technique, you're going to sit down and you can sit in any comfortable meditative asana. So I'm going to be sitting in a cross-legged pose, and you're going to take your hands, the right hand and the left hand, and bring the index finger and the thumb together. This mudra is known as the chin mudra, and this is a great mudra that calms down your mind and your body, and it makes it more receptive and open. So if we practice deep breathing while maintaining the chin mudra, it helps us in thinking more positive thoughts and thereby improving our moods. So what you're going to do is you're going to sit in the chin mudra, very relaxed. Make sure your neck is also relaxed. You're going to close your eyes and you're going to inhale to a count of 5. So to demonstrate, it's like this. You're going to inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you're going to exhale to a count of 5. So exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're going to do this for a total of 5 breaths. So you're going to inhale and exhale 5 times while maintaining the chin mudra. Remember, the slower you go, the slower your breath, the slower your mind, and the more you can relax. Now the next technique, which I really like to use to calm down the mind, is actually an asana, and it's called the Adho Mukha Veer Asana. So for that, you're going to come off of your cushion and you're actually going to use this cushion and place it in front of you. You're going to sit with your toes together, knees wide apart. You're going to extend your arms forward and rest your forehead on this cushion. Allow the forehead to sink down and keep inhaling and exhaling. Relax your arms. Keep deep inhalations and deep exhalations going. And do this 5 times and then slowly come up. Now what this asana helps us to do is to keep the torso open, and the more open your torso is, the wider your rib cage is, and the more space your lungs have to inhale and use all that oxygen, and then to exhale and let it out. So in this way, every single inhale that you take, every single exhale that you take serves to calm down the mind.